Okay, with this problem, it wants you to find where these two equations are the same. And that also means where they cross each other. So the way I would do this question is I would find the two easiest points to get their slopes. So this would be plus 5, and this would be minus 5. So I know my slope would be, if you put the change of y over the change of x, you'd have negative 1. So that would be my m. And then the other one, this would be up 6, up 3. So my second equation has a slope of 6 over 3, which would be 2, positive 2. So now I know that I could actually find, just looking at this table, what the y-intercept is, because the y-intercept of any equation is where x is 0. So I know automatically for the blue one that b is equal to 6. So my equation for equation 1 is y equals negative 1x plus 6. And with the red one, I got to do a little bit of work. So if I have y equals mx plus b, I could find out what b is by plugging it in. So if m is equal to 2, I can use this easy point and plug in a 2 for x. I don't know what b is. That's still equal to y, which is 4. And then 4 equals 4 plus b. If you subtract 4 to make b by itself, you have b is equal to 0. So my other equation is going to be y equals 2x. And then you don't have to put the plus 0. And then the last part about this is you just need to graph it. So if we look at our calculator, go to y equals, and we go ahead and plug in the two equations. So the first one's negative 1x plus 6, and then we have 2x, and then I can press graph, and I could probably just look at it and find the answer. So there's the first one, there's the second one, and the point that I'm interested in is that point right there. Now I could count it, 1, 2, that's 2, so I know that it's probably this answer because x is 2 there, and if you go up, that better be 4. You could also press trace and check it out that way. So it looks like it's going to be probably 2, 4. So another way you could do is second, calculate. Number 5 is where they intersect, and press enter 3 times, 1, 2, 3. And you can see the point of intersection is there, so that is my answer. That's where both of them would be the same.